All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and model my thinking of how I can solve this problem and then share how I was able to solve it in words using the FACE strategy. So here is the problem. It says Elizabeth is playing the game Adopt Me. She has 15 cats and is trading them with 3 of her friends. How many cats will each friend get? Explain the steps you took to find your answer. So the first thing I need to do here is I need to figure out all of the steps. So I'm going to write down what do I notice? Like what are the steps I need to figure out here? So it says that she's playing this game. Okay, so what does she have? So looking for those numbers, that's a really important thing to do first. So here it says she has 15 cats and she's trading them with 3 of her friends. Okay, so there's 3 friends and 15 cats. So 15 cats. There are 3 friends. Because this is going to be information I need when I go to work this out, right? These are the things I need to know. So that's what you write here in the notice. And these are just little notes for you. Just like when you do the notice to note in reading, right? You read a little bit and you take a note about what you're reading so you know with like a big long story, you can look back at it. Same thing here with math, right? We notice things and we note them right here off to the side to make sure we solve it correctly. Now the question is, how many cats will each friend get? So each friend. So I need to figure out how many will each one get. And so for me, this is going to be something that I think for my work that's going to be better used as a picture. So I think I'm going to draw a picture, and I like to think if I have 3 friends, right, I'm going to draw my 3 circles. Now, is this the only way I could share my thinking or show my work? No, there's lots of different ways you can do this. This is just the way that I would choose to do it because it's what makes most sense to me. You can do what makes most sense to you. And now when I know what I'm trying to figure out, like how many each friend would get, if I have 15 total and I have 3 people and I'm giving each of them some of my 15, then I would think, okay, I've got 3, so I have 15 total. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, and now I have stopped at 15 because that's my total. So each one of these has 5. 5, 5, and 5. So how many will each friend get? They each should get 5. Now, what would that be as a number model? Well, I know that I had 3. I now know that there's 5 in each, but I didn't know that number at the beginning. And since I didn't know that number at the beginning, I can't use 5 in my number model. Okay, I would have to use only what I noticed. So 15 and 3. So what I was doing was I was giving each friend some cats. So that means I am dividing. So you could write it like this. I can show my work here, right? I wrote down my notice, and then I said 15 divided by 3 equals what? But then you could also think of this like we learned with when we played Salute, right? You can write it as 3 times what equals 15. So now I need to show, now that I know my answer is 5, right? I know 15 divided by 3 is 5. I know 3 times 5 is 15. Now I need to write this out using the FACE strategy. So I figured out all my steps. My answer here is 5. Each cat is going to get 5, or each friend is going to get 5 cats. So now what was my number model? I could choose either one of these to use. 15 divided by 3, I think I could do that. Or I could say 3 times what equaled 15. And then I can explain how that works. So I wrote that out here. I said each friend will get 5 cats, period. So that was my answer. I know this because 15 divided by 3 equals 5. That was my number model. Now I need to explain how this works. Well, I said this means, that's a good sentence starter. This means since there were 15 total cats and there are 3 friends, when I divided the cats, I found that each friend would get 5 cats. Okay, so you're just kind of explaining in words how this picture made sense to you. So now you're going to get to do that here. Okay, This one, let's kind of do a little bit together. So it says Yaneli's having a birthday party. She wants to put 4 treats in each treat bag for her 8 friends. So here, what do you notice? Well, right, we have 4 treats in each bag. She's got 8 friends. She's got 35 treats total. Does she have enough to make her treat bags? And explain the steps. So I would draw this out and say she wants to put 4 treats in each bag for 8 friends. Well, I'm going to draw my 8 friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then now she wants to put 4 in each, but she only has 35 total. So if I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Does she have enough treats? Think about how many treats just went in her bags. She has 35 treats total. Did she have enough to put 4 treats in each of these bags? So I want you to tell me yes or no, if she did, as your answer. How could you show this thinking right here of our work? How could you write that as a number model? And then explain how you know that the answer was yes or no based on our work here. Based on here. Now again, you need to write a number model, because saying I drew 8 boxes and I put 4 in each box and then it equaled this, it can get a little confusing. People might not understand. So using like I added this, or I subtracted this, or I divided this, or multiplied this, that is going to be a little bit clearer to the person reading your work. Then I want you, since we started this one together, I would like for you to try these next few on your own. Okay? And make sure you're sharing your thinking, and then think, how confident do you feel now? Here is a reflection question. And then there are some, if you would like more practice, here are some more questions for you to do, and an extension that you get to create your own if you want somebody at your house to try to work it out too. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys. Bye.